I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, I had no chance to prepare, I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing, ooh, I could hate you now. It's quite alright to hate me now, when we both know that deep down, the feeling still deep down is good. If I could see through walls, I could see you faking. If you could see my thoughts, you would see your faces. Safe in my rental, like an army truck back then. We didn't give a fuck back then. I ain't a kid no more. We'll never be those kids again. We tried to six, had the X6 back then. Back then, no matter what I did, my waves wouldn't dip back then. Everything sucked back then, we were free.
Hey, I'm hungry. You hungry?
Look, you're amazing.
Why, because I'm hungry?
No, here you are standing in front of one of nature's most awesome spectacles, and you're thinking about food. I mean, aren't you impressed?
Clark, once a girl's seen Superman in action, Niagara Falls kind of leaves you cold. You know what I mean?
But we both know that deep down, the feeling still deep down is good. In the halls of your hotel, arm around my shoulder so I can tell how much I meant to you, meant to sit back then. We had time to get back then. You ain't a kid no more. We'll never be those kids again. It's not the same. I thought that I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing, had no chance to prepare, couldn't see you coming. And we started from nothing, ooh, I could hate you now. It's alright to hate me now. We both know that deep down, the feeling still deep down is good. All the things I didn't mean to say,